This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sky Kelly. Updated 3 have single-family home in the 55 and older community of the Cascades. This home is 1,723 square feet that has an open floor plan with a 2-car garage. Enjoy the community pool and clubhouse which always has activities going on. Cascades is a 55 and older community. The bylaws allow for 20% of the home can be occupied by persons under 55. Children under 21 can visit but are not permitted to live in this adult community. Please contact the listing agent for details. This home is currently furnished but can be rented unfurnished. For more information, review the details below or contact Sky Kelly at 239-659-2400.